I'm going to show you a trade that made $25 in 30 seconds, and it was completely unexpected. It happens. Once in a while you get lucky, and unexpected profits are immediately dumped into your lap when you open a trade. So what do? How do you handle it? Beginners haven't had this happen yet, so it's something you can learn to be prepared for. You may have seen a lot of videos that feature people like these guys. It's the first time they've been on my channel in over 140 videos, and probably it will be their last appearance. I mean, really, it's common sense. You can't make the kind of money these guys are holding and expect to risk $10, $20, $30 on a trade and consistently make hundreds and thousands in return. We created the channel here to show you the 1/10 size Micro Eminis, where you can keep the risk low while you're learning, and then once you learn, I know winning $25 like the trade I'm going to show you in a moment isn't that exciting, even though it happens in 30 seconds. The reason is it's not life-changing money, but you have to work your way up. Now, you know how to multiply. Start small, and we'll show you how to do that starting right now. Actually, I'm going to do this backwards today. I'm going to show you the end of the trade before I show you the beginning. Everybody knows about buying low and selling high and making money, but you can also sell high and buy low, which is called a short sale. Either way, you keep the difference. You can see the NASDAQ100 trades for $2 a point. Look at this. See the time, 10:29? That's when I opened and closed the trade. I had to time it. That was less than a minute, actually, about 31 seconds. The thing that's remarkable about this trade is that it's not remarkable. After all, if a trade only lasts 30 seconds, win or lose, there's not really much of a story to tell. If you've been on the channel a while, you know I open trades with a bracket order, which includes an automatic stop market order. My bad trades are over usually very quickly, and they're kind of boring, so I don't put many of them up on the channel. This type of trading, you're going to win on the average in the long term about 60% of your trades and lose about 40%. So what happens to me? I lose about 40% of my trades. The trick is don't take a bad trade and try to turn it into a good trade. That's how you can blow up your account. You will have streaks of good luck and bad luck, but on the average, those are the odds. When we have a trade, we enter and we get stopped out quickly, we attribute that to bad luck. But what happens if you start to make money immediately? Then that's something that you can't ignore. You do have a problem, a nice one, but now what do? I'm going to tell you a secret that nobody talks about in this kind of trading. When you're a beginner and you have to make an immediate decision, when you get good luck right now, it's much harder for a beginner. The experienced trader has a bank of knowledge, has more experience reading the trade signal indicators, immediately has a better feel for what the potential of the trade might really be. Even though I'm an experienced trader, I had no real strong idea about which way this trade was going to go. So I did what the cowboys do. Hang on for the ride. Watch this. Trade date, 31st of August, 2022. The market opens Eastern Time, 9:30, goes directly down, and then takes a sudden turn up until about 9:55. And look in the lower pane there, inside the red circle. The MACD lines cross, the green went to the bottom, and they're headed toward that zero line, which strongly suggests negative momentum. We can see it's in progress, but I make the trade because I hope it's not done yet, and I can get a piece of this action as the market continues to go down. Now, it wasn't until after those bars right here, I've highlighted them, from 10:10 till about 10:25. The market tried to go back up there, but as you can see, there were more sellers than buyers at that particular time. And so at about 10:25, prices resumed the downtrend, and that was when I made my decision. Frankly, up until that happened, I was a little undecided. So bam, right here I pulled the trigger and I'm in the trade. Okay, I'm freezing the screen right now because I want you to see what I saw. 4 seconds into the trade, this is how it looked. You see, I shorted the contract at $12,398.50, $2 a point. Over in the right margin, 12,384. The market is down an incredible 14.5 points in only 4 seconds. That means I'm up $29. Now, it's not the amount of being up 29 that's incredible. It's how fast it happened that I find so astounding. Obviously, I grabbed my Tastyworks mouse out and, well, I'll show you what happened. Let's go back to the live screen right now. So I grab the Tastyworks mouse, click and drag, pull that stop down, and I'm watching the price. It's 12,381, 386, 385. It's jumping up and down all over the place. For a moment, I hit 12,378 on the thing, and it's now trading back up to 12,384. So I just give up on trying to make a lot of sense out of it. It's happening so fast. But I do have the instinct that says, don't give that money back. It was too easy. I'm just saying, sometimes you can overthink things. So just click the mouse, take the money, and say thank you. And that is how I made $25 in 31 seconds. But wait, there's more. You know what's next. I do it, you do it, we all do it. I'm going to go back to the scene of the accident. I'm going to look what happened to the trade after I got out. It's really not hard to visualize the aftermath of this trade because I got both in and out of the trade right there where it says 10:29. Candlesticks are 5 minutes wide, remember. The candlestick between 10:30 and 10:35 is the red candlestick inside the yellow highlighted area. So you can see the price went from 12,360 all the way up to 12,400. That's 40 points, a move of $80 both ways. It's hard to say from looking at this. It looks like I probably could have made more money, but I don't know. I'd have to take it apart tick by tick and look at it, and it's not worth all that trouble. So I'm going to make a new rule. Dear self, new rule number 727. Whenever you make $25 in 31 seconds, don't bitch about it. It's sort of fun to deconstruct trades and look for places where you might find something you can improve next time, of course. But just remember to be kind to yourself, because when you go back after the trade, you have a genius of hindsight, so you really can't judge yourself too harshly. And if you're new to the channel, I want to say welcome and also tell you about some free stuff that you can get by looking at the text, the description below this video. There's a couple of beginners playlists there, 4 10-minute videos to help you get started, the beginning terms, things like that. It'll be very helpful, probably save you a lot of time. A free trade simulator, absolutely free, no credit cards. You have to give your email, but no credit cards and no ads or anything on there. And also information on the broker that I use here on the channel. I like Tastyworks very, very much, so much that I recommend it because it's easy for beginners to take up. Now, I do have an affiliate link down there, but it doesn't cost you anything, and you can get more information by taking a look down there. If you want to see more videos like the one you've seen today, be sure and help me out. Click that like button. I count those things like votes so I can make better videos for you here on the channel. They're all free. The channel is supported by my book. The information in the book is very much like the instruction here on the channel, the same style. It's easy to follow and understand. Plus, it can save you a lot of time and make learning faster, because when you're beginning, you don't know sometimes what's important and what isn't, and you're hit with this barrage of information, and the book will help you sort that out and show you what's important. Look for the book link down below. I'd appreciate that. It supports the channel. This is your invitation to join us. We have over 14,000 subscribers to the channel, and we'd love to have you. Be sure and hit that subscribe button, and if you hit the notification bell, you'll be notified when the new videos go up each week. Thank you. Be sure and explore the channel. There are over 140 all free videos for you. I'm Don Singletary. I hope every day is a payday for you. And thank you.